Let me introduce myself. My name is Ahmad Gunawan. On this occasion, I will explain my first topic entitled Project 1 Inside the Computer. Definition: Computer. A computer is an electronic device the humans use to store data and process data according to the instruction given by a computer program. Computer can be used to perform a variety of tasks, from basic calculation to complex operations involving artificial intelligence. Inside the computer: 1. Motherboard. The motherboard is the computer's main circuit board. It is a thin plate that holds the CPU, memory connectors for the hard drive, and optical drives. Expansion card to control the video and audio, and connection to your computer is port or such as USB port. The motherboard connects directly or indirectly to every part of the computer. 2. Central Processing Unit. The Central Processing Unit, or CPU, is the primary component of a computer that carries out instructions and performs calculations. It can be thought of as the brain of the computer, responsible for executing tasks and controlling the overall operation of the system. When a computer receives an instruction, it is stored in memory. The CPU then fetches the instruction from memory and brings it into its internal storage called register. The fetch instruction is then decoded, meaning the CPU determines the type of operation the instruction requires. Memory. A computer's memory can be viewed as a list of cells into which numbers can be placed or read. Computer main memory comes in two principal parts: random access memory, or RAM, and read-only memory, or ROM. RAM can be read and written to anytime the CPU commands it, but ROM is preloaded with data and software that never change. Therefore, the CPU can only read from it. 3. Storage device. The storage unit is a part of the computer system which is employed to store the information and instruction to be processed. The storage device is an integral part of the computer hardware which stores information or data to process the result of an computational work. Can say that a storage device is hardware that is used for storing, porting, or extracting data files. It can also store information or data both temporarily and permanently. 4. Peripheral device. Peripheral devices are internal or external hardware components that connect to a computer to expand its capabilities. The function of peripheral device is input or output, or improving the way a computer performs certain processing or storage tasks. Type of peripheral device. 1. Input peripheral. Example: keyboard, mic, trackpad, joystick, gamepad. 2. Output peripheral. Example: monitors, projector, printer, speakers, and headphones. 3. Storage peripheral. Example: hard disk drive, solid-state drives, USB flash. Networking peripheral: routers, modems, Wi-Fi adapter, Wi-Fi extender, Bluetooth adapter. 5. External peripheral. Most external peripheral connect to the motherboard connector that extend from the rear of the case. Audio port, integrated line out, microphone, and line in ports provide access to integrated audio, meaning there is no need for sound card on this particular computer. VGA and HDMI ports on this motherboard There is an HDMI port and a VGA port to provide video output. This type of display device. Another kind you might see is device. USB port. Device like mic, keyboard, digital cameras, scanner, and printers often connect to the motherboard via the USB port. LAN port. The LAN port is used to connect the PC to a local network or to high-speed internet service. PS2 port, older keyboard, and mic. The errand USB device will connect to the computer via the PS2 port not pictured here. Serial and parallel port, also not shown here, are serial. Okay, let's move on to the second topic slide. Software and operating system. Software. System software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer. Hardware and application programs. It controls a computer's internal function, chiefly through on an operating system. It also controls peripheral devices such as monitors, printers, and storage devices. 2. Operating system or OS. An operating system or OS is a system software that manages computer hardware and software research and provide common service for computer program. An operating system are system software. Every desktops, computer, tablet, and smartphone include an operating system that provide basic functionality for the device. Example of operating system: Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows NT, Linux, Red Hat, Ubuntu, GNOME, KDE, macOS Classic, macOS X, desktop computer, tablet, smartphone. Application software. Application software, often referred to simply as apps or programs, is a class of software specific designed to perform various tasks and functions for an user. Unlike system software, which manages the computer's hardware and offers a platform for other software to run on, application software serves are a more user-centric purpose. It enables users to perform specific tasks such as word processing, graphic design, or playing games. Here are some functions of application software. 1. Word processing. 2. Spreadsheet. 3. Graphic design. 4. Web browsing. 5. Email client. 6. Gaming. Example of application software. The following are some relevant examples of commonly used application software. 1. Microsoft Office Suite. Microsoft Office Suite is a cornerstone of productivity software, offering a trio of essential applications. Microsoft Word is a versatile word processing tool that empowers users to create documents of all types, from essay to professional reports, with features such as formatting, spell checking, and collaborative editing. 2. Adobe Creative Suite. Adobe Creative Suite, now known as Adobe Creative Cloud, is a powerhouse of creative software applications that have revolutionized design, multimedia, and content creation. It encompasses a diverse array of tools, including Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and Premiere Pro. 3. Google Chrome. Google Chrome stands as one of the most widely used web browsers, globally known for its speed, stability, and minimalist design. Chrome provides a seamless internet browsing experience. 4. WhatsApp. WhatsApp has revolutionized communication, bridging geographical gaps with instant messaging, voice calls, and video chat. This messaging application priorities privacy and end-to-end encryption, ensuring secure conversation. Form of application software. The following are some relevant examples of commonly used application software. 1. Custom software. Custom software is a type of application software that is created specifically or ordered specifically by a company. 2. Web application. Web application is application software that is flexible because it can be accessed by various devices at once as long as it has an internet network. 3. Open source. The next type of application software is the open source type. 4. Public domain software. Public domain software is a form of application software that is deliberately created so that it can be used by everyone in general. 5. Free software, not much different from shareware. Freeware is also a type of software that has a copyright. Conclusion: application software is software created with the aim of making it easier for users to carry out various tasks. Thanks to this application software, humans can carry out various computing tasks easily. This application can also help various daily tasks, whether related to work or education, to be carried out properly. Application software cannot be separated from the lives of today's modern people. There are many types of application software, and for example, some can be accessed for free and some are paid. Okay, thank you. Bye.